Hey, Emily. How's it going today?
Hey, Alex. I'm good, just winding down after a hectic morning. How about you?
Same here. Mornings are always a bit crazy for me, but coffee makes everything better.
Absolutely. Coffee is life. Speaking of which, yesterday I had a little adventure at work.
Oh, do tell.
Our internet went down. Total blackout. Everyone just stared at screens, pretending to be productive, including me.
I've been there. It's funny how we suddenly become philosophers just staring into nothing.
Exactly. And our manager walks in, looks at us all, and just shrugs like, well, we're all offline together.
That's amazing. I love it when bosses can laugh at the chaos. Makes everything feel human.
Totally. Chaos with a bit of laughter is manageable. By the way, my weekend was a mix of fun and unexpected errands. I met friends, but then got stuck helping a neighbor fix a leaky roof.
Classic weekend twist. Helping neighbors is good karma, though.
True, but by the time I got back home, I was wiped out, barely cooked dinner.
I can relate. My weekend was quieter. I finally tried that new hiking trail near the lake.
I remember you mentioning it. How was it?
Amazing. Fresh air, quiet trails, and I even saw deer near the water. Felt like a digital detox in real life.
Sounds perfect. I need that too. City life is relentless sometimes.
We should plan a hike together. Nature therapy incoming.
Count me in. No emergency neighbor rescues this time, okay?
Deal.
Oh, and have you watched that new series everyone's talking about?
Yes, binge watched it last weekend. Those twists, my brain needed a map to keep up.
Same. Stayed up too late watching it. Totally worth it, though.
That's the beauty of a good series. Gets you hooked, forgets the world outside.
Speaking of forgetting the world, I tried cooking something new. Homemade pasta with sauce. Disaster, but somehow edible.
I can imagine. Cooking experiments are always risky, but hey, trying counts, right?
Absolutely. And cheese fixes everything.
Life tip. When in doubt, add cheese.
Exactly.
I also tried journaling a bit this week. Just writing random thoughts, daily stuff, ideas. It's oddly calming.
Oh, I love that. I started sketching little doodles again. Helps clear my mind after work chaos.
It's funny how small things like this can make such a difference. A little pause in the middle of busy life.
Totally. And sharing it in chats like this just adds another layer of fun.
True. By the way, any small wins this week? I felt proud because I managed to wake up early 3 days in a row.
That's huge. I feel accomplished if I remember to drink water on time.
Different levels of achievement, but same feeling.
Speaking of small wins, my plant didn't die this week, so I count that as success.
Plants are tough bosses. I salute your victory.
Thank you.
All right, to wrap up today's episode, enjoy small wins, laugh at chaos, and maybe add a little cheese to life.
Perfect advice. That's a wrap for me. Can't wait for our next chat.
Same here, Emily. Take care and no leaky roofs ruining your weekend.